So today we're going to go over the D shapes. So think of this like a whole new box, a whole new set of shapes. Some of the shapes that you'll see on here will look familiar, and they'll just be done in a different order. So let's go through the different shapes together. So the first shape is our 1 chord, which would be D. So I'm starting, got 2nd fret. Here we go. These 3 here should sound like this. Okay. And then our 2 chord is going to be E minor. So I like to put my pinky back here and then take these 2 fingers. This is just like number 6 in the other set of shapes, but this is going to be number 2 in the key of D. So we have E minor. And then we have 1/3. So remember, we can play this 2 different ways. We can play go back to D and play F sharp with our thumb, or from that second shape, number 2, we can just take these 2 fingers and just spread them apart. So we have 1 playing the F sharp, and then we've got D down here. Okay, so you got 1/3, and then you have number 4, which is going to be G. Okay, so now G is number 4. Okay. And then from here, I like to just leave my ring finger where it is and take these 2 fingers and just put them in the same fret right here. So this is technically A sus. So here's A. A is number 5, but just in terms of less movement in the shapes that I want you to play, just leave your ring finger right here and just move these 2, okay? So you've got A sus, and then from here, you're just gonna take your pointer finger and go up to the B string here, and you've got sort of just an easy way to play a B minor chord, okay? You can play the B minor like this, you can play it as a bar chord like this, okay? If you do this, you're basically just taking that 2 shape from that first set that we played, the A minor. So we're taking this shape here, and it's these 3 notes, right? And all I'm doing is I'm just using different fingers to play those same 3 notes. See that? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this over, and then I'm going to bar across the 2nd fret. Okay, so if I take that shape and I bar across the 2nd fret, now I've got B minor. Okay, so that's going to be our number 6. So you can play it here, you can play it here, just depending on the sound you're looking for. And then we have 5/7, which is going to be A. So we're going to go back to these 2 fingers here. Okay, so we've got A, and then we're going to play C sharp as our bass note. So we've got this chord here. Okay, so A over C sharp. So I've got A, and then I've got a C sharp here, and then back to number 1. Okay, so real quick, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,